what? It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out.
What's that?
I believe, if I remember correctly, there's a nice vegan option at Flame Barbecue.
The sausage. Get it every time we come here. It's so good. John, you're married to a 50-year-old now.
It's true.
Yep. It is very quiet here today. I mean, all my research said that Christmas Eve, Christmas Day were going to be the two busiest days at Disney ever. Like, that's what happens. And I didn't believe it. I'm like, why? These people need to be home with their families. But, no, it seems pretty quiet so far.
I think it's also because it's rain in the forecast today. I mean,
Yeah.
The sun's coming out now, but
His son. And I've gotten so many compliments on my ears and bag matching, which is, I don't know, I just still think it's really cool. So I just wanted to fit in. John's enjoying his coffee, and it's kind of a short park day, I think, today. We're gonna bang out the stuff we want to get done and then head back to the room. Do we have everything? Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something? I constantly feel like I'm forgetting stuff. That's not okay. I put something down and... So right now we are trying to go to Everest. John bought me lightning lanes for today for my birthday. So we got Pandora Flight of Passage lightning lane. But I'm brave. I'm feeling brave today. I did rock and roller coaster. My eyes closed. But this is not as scary as that for sure. I know that for sure.
It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So it's my birthday, and I was talking to the guy about how much it sucks having a Christmas Eve birthday, and he gave us a discount on our stuff. And I showed him John's tattoo. Like, I pointed out John's tattoo is the Yeti from Everesting with the toucan, and he was like, "Yeah, listen, you guys, 20% off." We're like, "Yes." We're gonna hit a bathroom right now, and then we are going to head back over to Pandora. You feel like you're in a museum the whole time. Quick. Good turn me around. Oh my god. Okay, I better put it away now. Oh, my ears! They're in the bag. But
yes, I haven't been on that ride in a long time. I kind of forgot most of how it worked. I just knew
it's fun.
you could get wet. I'm glad I said that out loud a couple of times.
Reminds me of that game I want to play, Exit 8. That's the best ride. That was really fun.
It is.
Highly recommend if you wear contacts, because my 3D glasses were not jiving with where my glasses were, so it was a little blurry. If you have contacts, wear contacts. Crying again.
Happy birthday from your birthday. Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Perfect. Happy birthday. You said it's your 50th. You're blessed.
And so John and I, we're napped and it's supper time. He looks like a jolly old man with a bag over his bag on his back, but it's laundry. It's just laundry. So we're gonna go do laundry. Oh geez, it's dark.
That'd be like a huge savings.
We did some shopping. We got Mickey and Minnie stockings. We're in laundry. John's doing laundry. And I don't know, I feel dizzy. Like, it must be too the fact that our cruise ship was so rocky. It was very rocky. I loved it. I slept so good on that cruise ship. But now that I'm on land and I'm awake, I'm not laying down, I sometimes still feel like the world is tilted.
Yeah, and I think that's what was making me terrified, actually, that I was getting vertigo again. Yeah.
We don't want John to have vertigo again, and I don't want to experience it because I do not do well with vertigo. I've had it, and I
had it for 1 month. It was awful.
I had it after having I had a job where I worked on a conveyor belt, and I moved things from a conveyor belt, so the conveyor belt was going by. I had 2 different jobs like that, and both of them I couldn't do it. I'd get home and I would be bumping into walls. I had this idea. I was going up the stairs earlier, and I pictured a little duck. I pictured a little duck right there with a little sign saying, "Hi, I'm a Disney duck. You take me home or hide me again for somebody else." Because cruise ducks, right? Why isn't there Disney ducks?